Beggary by no means is a simple profession. Like any other profession, there is an art to it.
मैं अपनी टांग निकाल के बैठ जाता था, कोई दे जाता था। 2 देना 100 लेनी।
ठीक है, एक रुपए की।
जी।
और आप एक कितने की बेचते थे?
5 रुपए की। मैं कहता था अल्लाह आपका भला करे, 2-3 रुपये ही दे दो। भाई से मैंने आका भाई मुझे कपड़े ले दो, मैं गरीब हूँ। अगला की रोटी खानी।
There is no denying that these children are extremely poor and suffer from physical handicaps or other forms of disadvantageousness. But these societal issues become points of exploitation used by the beggars mafia, who use them to emotionally pressurize people into handing over money.
Most of these children who are handicapped were not born handicapped, because when I'm a pediatrician by profession. So when these children come in and we look at the injuries, you see that this was not something he was born with. This was something that was done to him.
As for poverty, it is one of the major causes of children begging. The average Pakistani family comprises 5 to 6 children. In times such as these, with high rates of inflation and unemployment, the conventional role of the father as a breadwinner no longer remains. Children are now integral breadwinners too.
ये लाता 50, 60, 70 रुपए इतने लाता क्योंकि हमारे घर का गुजारा नहीं चलता.
The adults we found are just have gotten used to this, that we have 6 children on the street, and because we are a Muslim society, we will all give those children, arms in their hands, not thinking that this is actually ruining their future.
Domestic abuse and parental neglect are another common factor. Children run away from home and are forced to support themselves through any means necessary.
मैं घर से भाग जाता था जब अबू मारते थे। वो कुल्हाड़ी नहीं होती है ना, मंजे के नीचे ये मेरा ना हाथ दे कर ना ये इधर से कहते हाँ तुम्हारा काट देना इतना इतना.
Then, the role of beggary mafias cannot be ignored. It is easy for adult beggars to pass any child off as their own, and this works to the beggary mafia's advantage.
We even have DNA tests done on certain people. When we find, the story doesn't tally, that this person just could not have abused his child like this if he was his own child. And we find, lo and behold, when we tell them we're going to do a blood test, they disappear and never come back again.
These two brothers may not have been disguised as another's child, but while on the street, they nonetheless fell into the hands of Kala Ungul Kat, the head of a begging ring.
कभी-कभी काला अंगल का साथ आने लगा, वो हमें पकड़ के ले जाता था, साथ बच्चों के साथ गलत काम भी करता था, बच्चों को कहता था अगर तूने ये काम ना मिला पूरा किया तुझे मैं मार दूंगा, तुम्हारी उंगलियां काट दूंगा. उसने फिर मुझे भी ब्लेड मारे थे, काफ़ी लड़कों को मारे थे, सारे पैसे खो लिए, फिर कहता मांग के लाओ.
When they come into these beggary mafias, usually initially the people, adults, tell them that you come, we'll give you food to eat and you can stay with us. I'm your big brother, you are my little brother. And so these little innocent little children are cornered by them.
From a psychologist's perspective, another cause for children becoming beggars is a lack of positive role models in the form of parents or parent figures. For it is very important for a child to undergo the mechanism of identification. Many could and do adopt role models such as Kala Ungul Kat.
It starts with the sense of protection in identification with that person.
Usually, children identify with their parent or a parent figure, and they try to incorporate their moral values into their own psyche.
If there are no role models, or if they reject the role models, and if there is no sense of identification, then they resort to, then they start experimenting with life, They try drugs, they try women, they try stealing, everything.
Naveed found no positive role model in his father. He had so much hate for his father bottled up inside that he said,
लेकिन किस्मत वो घर से भाग जाते थे।
He left in search of a life better than the one he lived. Instead, he became a child beggar. He got into drugs, he drank alcohol, and committed theft. The life of a child beggar is tragic on many levels. Those who have lived it say that they would never wish to go through it again.
यहाँ अच्छा है, बाहर अच्छा नहीं है। बाहर नशा करना, बस ये करना। इधर सही है, पढ़ लिख जाएंगे, बड़े हो जाएंगे।
Even a heroin addict advises children to stay far away from a life on the streets and from a life on drugs.
हमारी तरफ से हम उसको बोलते हैं यार हमारी तरफ ना देखो और आप हमारे हल देकर बच जाएं।